What's up, vloggers? We are at the park. We're taking my dog for a walk, as you can see right there. Oh no, I have to pick that up. I'll be back. Alright, we're back and we're just gonna hop on the swing real quick. Alright, so tomorrow is Justin and Cody's birthday, and today they might be getting their stuff. We're not entirely sure, but we're gonna see. And it looks like Cody's getting a PC, so I want to hopefully help build him a PC, and we'll play games together. My dog likes playing on the playground a little bit. I'll show you guys in a sec. But yeah, it's actually really cold today.
It's a marshmallow world in the winter, when the snow comes to cover the ground. It's time for play, it's a whipped cream day, I wait for it to hold you around. Those are marshmallow clouds being friendly in the arms of the evergreen trees. And the sun is red like a pumpkin head, it's shining so your nose won't freeze. Oh, the world is your snowball, see how it grows. That's how it goes whenever it snows. The world is your snowball just for a song.
Alright, I'll make you guys a deal. If I land a backflip, first try, you guys gotta subscribe, right? Only if I land it, you have to subscribe. My dog's digging a hole right here. Here we go. Subscribe.
And roll it along. Oh, it's a yummy, yummy world made for sweethearts. Take a walk with your favorite girl. It's a sugar date. What if spring is late? In winter, it's a marshmallow world.
It's a marshmallow world in the winter, when the snow comes to cover the ground.
It's time for play, it's a whipped cream day, I'll wait for it to hold you around.
Those are marshmallow clouds being friendly in the arms of the evergreen trees.
And the sun is red like a pumpkin head, it's shining so your nose won't freeze.
Okay, just beat that level. But this is the Geometry Dash channel. I'll link that in the description. And sorry I didn't record at school. There's no recording opportunities. Like, none of my friends are in my hour or 2 hours that I go to, and there's no lunch or anything, so couldn't record at school very much. And we're gonna go fishing. If we catch a lot, it's gonna be a separate video, but it's probably gonna be vlog footage because I don't think it's gonna turn out very well. So we're gonna head out there, me, Justin, and Julian, and we better catch something because we've been wasting hours out there, and this is why I don't go fishing anymore.
Stop.
Alright guys, we got a crazy striper blitz. They're jumping out there.
Dude, I'm moving the whole...
Don't hit the log.
I'm literally moving the log. No, you're not.
That's probably why they stopped jumping.
Ah, the world is your snowball, see how it grows. That's how it goes whenever it snows. The world is your snowball just for a song. Get out and roll it along. It's a yummy, yummy world made for sweethearts. Take a walk with your favorite girl. It's a sugar date. What if spring is late? In winter, it's a marshmallow world.
Yes!
We just had a triple up. Hey, are those all?
No, mine's not a keeper.
Phillips might be a keeper.
Hey, start recording.
It is recording.
Yo, we just tripled up.
Triple up, bitch.
No way, I told you guys. I told you.
Phillip, that's a keeper. Phillips is a keeper.
Mine's not.
Might not be, I don't know.
No, that's
Yo,
a key.
guys,
That's
we
a
just
100%
tripled
keeper.
up out here.
Dude, we just tripled.
I got snagged and a blitz happened. That's crazy. We got 3 fish in the matter of like 10 seconds. Okay, this is my Geometry Dash channel. Go ahead and check it out. I've been putting a lot of work in recently. This is not all my videos. This is all my videos. So, yeah, I've been playing this game a bit more. You know, I got the PC. So, I think this and one more time I'm gonna advertise this channel because I want to get like most of the subscribers by myself. So yeah, check it out. It's Dummy Boy 445, and I'll be doing another video to let everyone else know.